What's up, guys? Okay, well, right now we're going to be in Oklahoma. Several, the sheriff's office and police department are going to be involved in this one. It's this is more to show that just because they say they're a family doesn't mean they always get along. So I'm going to read the description down here because that sums it up. I don't have to go read 4 or 5 different articles to figure out what's going on. This is what's going on. A heated confrontation in Oklahoma between Lexington police officers and Cleveland County Sheriff's deputies was captured on body camera during a search for a suspect in the area. On January 30th, the Cleveland County Sheriff's Office responded as part of what authorities described as SWAT call-out protocol involving various agencies in the South Metro, including the Norman Police Department, the Moore Police Department, and the University of Oklahoma Police Department. Local agencies were responding to a potential critical situation, later described as a possible hostage standoff in Lexington, about 40 miles south of Oklahoma City. According to a phone call recording provided by the Cleveland County Sheriff's Office, private investigators and bond agents reached out to dispatchers at the Sheriff's Office after unsuccessfully attempting to seek assistance from the Lexington Police Department in capturing a former Tulsa police officer accused of, now I'll point it out, I'm not going to say it, you know how YouTube is. After verifying the warrant for the suspect, who was allegedly heavily armed and believed to be in the area, law enforcement agencies in the South Metro swarmed the Lexington location but did not find the suspect, and an investigation has since been launched into the incident. So, let's see what the Sheriff's Office and the police departments are up to.
Going on traffic, Nora George Mary 045, Nora George Mary 045.
And yes, this is from January 30th, 2024, but still, it's going to be fun to watch. And also, this is from the Oklahoman. If I can get that to stop.
It's going to be 777. Sure, I'm going to SWAT call. Okay, so this could you do the 85 and the 55? I was going. Going where? Call out. Where we going?
85 and a 55.
Call out right over here. I didn't know we had one. We have an armed guy barricaded in the house. Used to be a police officer. And where at? Right down here on.
Did you have any lights and sirens going? 85 and a 55, 45, whatever it was.
Here in Lexington? Yeah. We have an armed person we don't know about. Alright, I'll call my chief and let him know. 301 next. According to the Cleveland County Sheriff, we have a hostage situation at that location.
I want you to notice all the taxpayer money. Just look at all of it.
Where's Captain Tom? Captain Hawk. Yeah. Where's Canal? Cheers, sir. What's going on here?
We've realized that I'd like to know what's going on in my own damn city.
We would have notified you, sir.
We would have?
Yeah.
Well, hold on. I've been down there at the PD all fucking day.
Also, I would like to note that the sheriff is the top law enforcement official for the entire county. So, not sure who the chief thinks he is.
call, it says Lexington was notified they refused to respond before the call.
Sit down here, guys.
Okay, I don't know who the fuck said that. First of all, sir, I know you're the chief. I'm just trying to I don't appreciate all of this going on and nobody notified me a damn thing about it.
Now you see why they talk to you the way they do. They talk to each other the same way. They really don't like each other. Sheriff's office and police departments, they'll get along when they're around a bunch of public, but privately, they don't care for each other.
Okay.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
If you want, you got my ass later.
Sir.
He's a lieutenant.
I am too. You're not going to talk about chief like that, sir. That's not going to happen.
You can get the fuck out of my face. I don't give a fuck who you are. Okay? This is my county, too.
Back up, man. Back up. No, you don't.
You notice all the blue line gang tattoos there?
What the fuck's going on?
This is going to be good.
According to the call,
You need to stop.
Lexington PD is not
Chill out. Back up.
Blue line gang tattoos and no shaving, that's the standards.
Everything's going to be okay. But you need to back up.
I get it that you're
You can back up. Negative.
but this right here ain't what
We're not going to be disrespectful. Okay? Sheriff, you need to back up out of my face, sir. You have no authority.
You're not gonna fucking tell me what to do, motherfucker. You're not gonna get in my sheriff's face.
you want to do that?
Just like you told me, motherfucker.
Get your hands off me, man. Back up, John.
Hey, pull him back.
No,
He's in the
just came up to
sheriff's
my
face.
and said,
Was it any wonder they treat the public the way they do? I'm just saying, they couldn't care less, and they also know that they are being recorded. Just saying.
He's getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
He's getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
Both of you need to back off. This is
I would like to see one of them handcuffed, to be honest with you.
an operation for something like that. Understand?
Oh, yeah. Perfectly fucking clear.
Go 10-8.
Perfectly clear. Let's go. Come on. Let's run that fucking relationship.
Also, his name was on his vest. He just couldn't pronounce it.
Yep. I want that lieutenant's name. So he can put his hands on me.
It was on his vest. Can't pronounce it.
Does he know we're recorded?
Is no one recorded? Yes. Imagine the hostage. They look outside the window to see the law enforcement agencies arguing. At that point, the hostage must have given up hope of being rescued. Yes, these gang disputes between agencies are an embarrassment. They are an embarrassment. What in the mine is bigger than yours BS is this? Total lack of professionalism. Yes. You ain't gonna talk to my boss like that. He might as well have said daddy. You're not gonna talk to my daddy like that. I'm talking about sassy as hell. Might as well have been his dad. So, high school testosterone, yes. You know how people are like, I remember back when I was in like 5th grade and there was a playground bully. Wonder what happened to him. Yeah, they went to law enforcement. Some people looking for promotion. Always hold your people down after trying to defuse a situation, of course. Remind me of my friends in ROTC back in freaking high school, LOL. I was in ROTC back in the day too. He's a professional bootlicker. These gang territory disputes are getting ridiculous. This is not uncommon. The egos behind the scenes that the public rarely sees is unbelievable. 12 months till I retire. Can't wait. Imagine how they respect the local if they can't respect each other. That's what I was saying. Power struggles and confusion of duties. Damn egos hurt much. There needs to be a series of city cops versus county cops, whether it be TV series or IRL like cops. I find it interesting or entertaining. Sounded like an auditor. I want his name. He put his hands on me. When it comes to break up a fight between PD and Sheriff's Department, the State Patrol, yup. Or who comes? Yes, State Patrol. His name was right on his uniform. That's what I said. That's exactly what I said. Anyway, that's where I with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, like, I don't know, if I said it earlier, 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one. And I'm out.